Guys, the month of October is finally over. This is the most brutal month for the stocks in general for 2023 so far, and it's hitting everyone very, very hard. Well, thankfully the month is done, and now we enter November, which is the most profitable month on average for the stock market. Now, it was a very light month for me because it was earnings season, and during earnings seasons, I pretty much do not mess with options that much. Now, with that being said, let's see how much I got in option premiums and in dividends for this month. Good day, guys. My name is Bill Noguera, and in this channel, I talk about stocks, real estate, finance, and economy. Hey, guys, as we can see here, I am down $3,987 or 5%. Now, in dividends, guys, how much did I receive in dividends? I received $132 in dividends. And now in covered calls, options, $94. Nothing for cash secure put, okay, nothing for call options, and nothing for put options, guys. Now let's see the details. Now, all right, guys, here in this chart, we see the green and orange bars, guys. The green bars represent premiums from options, and the orange bar represent the dividends, guys. In addition to this, I also purchased some stocks. Let's see the details. Carnival Cruise Line, guys. In Carnival Cruise Lines, I earned $17 in option premiums, guys. And that's about it. Now let's move on to ChargePoint, guys. In ChargePoint, I earned $16 in option premiums from covered calls. Google, guys, in Google, no option premiums. However, I did purchase extra 15 stocks, guys. Now, on October 6th, I purchased 5 stocks of Google at an average price of $139. Now, in addition, on October 24th, guys, I purchased 10 more stocks of Google for an average price of $140.11, bringing the total purchase of 15 shares of Google. Now, let's move on to JEPI, guys, our lovely monthly payer, JEPI. JEPI, guys, I received $40 in JEPI dividends. On the 5th, we received these dividends, and I immediately reinvested these dividends, and I was able to acquire a 0.76 or 3/4 of a share at an average price of $52.49. Now, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. And now, JEPI is one of those stocks that I am not happy with it, but I also don't want to get rid of it since I'm getting a good yield on my investment. Now, one thing I have for sure is that I'm not going to be reinvesting dividends in JEPI any longer. Most likely what I'm going to do is I will take the dividends from JEPI and I will reinvest them into JPQ. Or if that's not the case, I'll maybe split these dividends and start buying maybe more of Microsoft or more Google. Not sure what I'm going to do, but guys, I'll find out the next month. Now, let's move on, guys. Let's go to Coca-Cola. Now, in Coca-Cola, guys, we receive a dividend of $47.02 and also earned $27 in option premium, guys. This brought my total for the month in Coca-Cola of $74. Now, on October 2nd, received a dividend from Coca-Cola, $47.02. Reinvested those dividends on the same day, and I was able to acquire 0.84 of a share at an average price of $55.53. Now, on October 25th, guys, sold a covered call on Coca-Cola, strike date on November 10th. Now, this is 16 days to close, $58 strike price, received $18.34, guys, for this option. Now, I closed this only 5 days out, guys. 5 days later, on October 30th, closed it for 36% profit. I closed at $11, earning $6.68. I immediately rolled it on the 30th, guys. I rolled this call to the 17th of November. 18 days to close, $58 strike price. Received $20.34 for this premium. I still have it open, guys. Those brought my income to $27. Now let's move on to Main Street Capital, guys. Main Street Capital, another of our lovely monthly payers, guys. For Main Street Capital, I earned $25.19 in dividends. This was on October 13th. $25 dividend received on October 13th. I reinvested this dividends to acquire 0.63% of a share at an average price of $39.93, guys. Let's move on, guys, to Altria Group, guys. Now, Altria Group, guys, and Altria Group received $19.60 in dividends. Now, those dividends was received on October 10th, $19.90. I reinvested those dividends and I was able to acquire almost half a share at an average price of $43.22, guys. Now, this is a new position, guys, Realty Income Corporation. Now, based on my evaluation, guys, my target buy price is $47. It hit my buying price. I started executing the transaction, guys. Now, guys, for the past 5 years, Altria Group is down 21% or $12. Now, for the last 12 months, it's down 23% or $14. If we see here, guys, let me put Simon Property Group. Now we see Realty income here on the purple line is down 22%. Now Simon Property Group is down 10% and the S&P 500 is actually up 10%. I'll go back here. If we see on October 4th, guys, I purchased 33 shares at an average price of $49.56. Now on the 6th of October, guys, again, purchased extra 20 shares at an average price of $50. Now, when the news broke out that Realty Income was going to buy another real estate investment trust, the price dropped down to $46. I took this opportunity and purchased extra 17 shares for an average price of $46.22, bringing my total for 70 shares of Realty Income. Now, my average cost for these shares are $48.80. Target buy price is $68. Now, this is representing 41% upside. However, I don't believe that this upside is going to come anytime soon, guys. In order for us to see the price going up dramatically, we need to see interest rates come down. Not a lot, just gradually, or just signal that will start coming down and the stock price is going to shoot up. Now, Realty Income is yielding $3.07 per share. I locked myself a yield on cost of 6.29%. I am set to receive $215 yearly on dividends, guys. Now, let's continue on. Now, Plug Power, guys, I received $25, and this came from a cover call that I wrote on October 13th. This had a strike price of October 20th, 7 days to close, received $22.68, guys. Closed this option 5 days later for a profit of $73 on this option, collecting $16.66 in premium. I sold another cover call on October 26th, guys. This strike price is on November 3rd, 8 days to close, receive $16.68, guys. Close this option 4 days out on October 30th for $8, collecting $8.66. You know my rule, guys. Once I see that I'm in an option play, in an option premium or cover call, if I am above 50% in profit, take your profits and run. Now, in addition to this, guys, on October 6th, I purchased a call for Plug Power. This strike price is January 16, 2026, 833 days to close. I purchased this for $335. Now, guys, the reason why I didn't buy the stock, but I bought options is because I had to put only less than 50% of the stock price in order to control 100 shares in the money already. The strike price is $5, guys, and currently Plug Power is above $5. So I'm controlling 100 shares with less than 50% of the capital. Now, I am willing to lose less than 50%. That's why I limit my losses by using or utilizing the options instead of buying the stock directly. In addition, it will allow me to sell more covered calls and collect more premium, guys. Guys, let's move on to Rumble, guys. Rumble is the new position I started last month. I sold a covered call on Rumble on October 16th, guys. The strike price, November 3rd, 18 days to close, $6 strike price. Received $14.68 for this. Held it only for 8 days, closed it at almost 60% profit, collected $8.66, guys. Now, this is the total income for the month of October, guys. As you guys can see, $132 in dividends and $94 in option, guys. Now, once again, guys, October was a brutal month, guys. Now, November, once again, is the most profitable month for the stock market on average. Now, let's see how much we can collect in premium, dividends, and on top of that, in appreciation for our portfolio, guys. My question to you guys is, how much do you guys receive in dividends for this month of October? And are you selling option premiums, guys? Leave me a comment below how much you receive in total, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Once again, my name is Bill Noguera, and this channel I talk about stocks, real estate, finance, and the economy. Hey, guys, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. It means a lot if you guys subscribe to the channel, guys. Thanks for watching, guys, and bye-bye.